Hey there, fellow wanderlust seekers. Today we're taking you on an epic journey to 24 jaw-dropping destinations around the world. But here's the twist. We want you to join us on this incredible adventure. Hit that subscribe button and let's explore these breathtaking places together. Our first stop is the alluring island of Sardinia, Italy. Picture pristine beaches kissed by crystalline waters, rugged cliffs, and charming villages steeped in history. Sardinia is where nature and culture embrace, offering a tantalizing blend of relaxation and discovery. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, this paradise invites you to explore ancient ruins, savor mouth-watering cuisine, and immerse yourself in the warm hospitality of the locals. Whether you're basking under the sun's golden rays or wandering through cobblestone streets, Sardinia promises a timeless experience. Next, we're jetting off to Urla, Turkey, a hidden gem along the Aegean coast. This charming coastal town is a treasure trove of history, culture, and delectable flavors. Urla's ancient ruins and olive groves beckon history buffs and nature lovers alike, while the bustling markets offer a taste of authentic Turkish life. And speaking of taste, don't forget to indulge in mouth-watering Turkish cuisine and savor the rich flavors of this coastal paradise. Winter enthusiasts, prepare to be amazed. Our next destination is Niseko, Japan, a winter wonderland like no other. Located in Hokkaido, Niseko is renowned for its legendary powder snow, making it a haven for skiers and snowboarders from around the world. But Niseko is not just about winter sports. It's also a place to soak in serene hot springs, explore charming villages, and immerse yourself in the unique Japanese mountain culture. Whether you're carving fresh tracks down the slopes or relaxing in an onsen, Niseko promises an unforgettable winter adventure. Our journey continues to the captivating island of Jeju, South Korea. Known as the Island of the Gods, Jeju boasts a diverse range of natural wonders, from dramatic waterfalls to volcanic landscapes. Explore the lush forests, hike up majestic mountains, and discover the island's rich cultural heritage, including its iconic Haenyeo, or women divers. Jeju is a destination that seamlessly blends adventure with relaxation, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Now, let's venture into the vast expanse of Orkhon Valley, Mongolia, a place where time seems to stand still. Here, nomadic traditions thrive amidst breathtaking landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Immerse yourself in the nomadic way of life, stay in traditional yurts, and witness the incredible hospitality of the Mongolian people. Explore ancient monasteries, ride horses across endless grasslands, and experience the raw beauty of this untouched corner of the world. Welcome to the vibrant and tropical paradise of Goa, India. Known for its sun-kissed beaches, lively beach parties, and a rich blend of cultures, Goa is a destination that invites you to let loose and celebrate life. From the vibrant nightlife of Goa's beach towns to the tranquility of its hidden coves, this coastal haven has something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a taste of India's diverse cuisine, Goa promises an unforgettable experience. Tangal, Sri Lanka, is a hidden gem in the Indian Ocean, where time seems to slow down and every moment is a chance to reconnect with nature. This coastal paradise offers pristine beaches, lush jungles, and a sense of tranquility that will rejuvenate your soul. Explore hidden coves, snorkel in crystal-clear waters, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Tangal is where you can truly unwind and discover the beauty of simplicity. Craving an authentic culinary adventure? Look no further than Oaxaca, Mexico. This region is a food lover's paradise, where every bite tells a story of tradition, flavor, and passion. Sample the world-famous mole, sip on exquisite mezcal, and explore vibrant markets where artisans create masterpieces. Oaxaca's rich cultural heritage and delectable cuisine are a treat for the senses, making it a must-visit destination for food enthusiasts and culture seekers alike. Our next stop takes us to Comporta, Portugal, where time seems to slow down, and the beauty of the natural world takes center stage. This coastal gem is a haven of untouched beaches, charming villages, and unspoiled landscapes. Cycle through picturesque rice paddies, stroll along endless sandy shores, and savor fresh seafood by the ocean. Comporta's laid-back atmosphere and rustic charm make it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. San Sebastian, Spain, is a city that knows how to indulge your senses. Known for its world-renowned culinary scene, this Basque city is a paradise for foodies. Explore the bustling markets, savor pinzos, Basque tapas, at local bars, and take in the breathtaking coastal views. San Sebastian is where gastronomy meets culture, offering a taste of Spain like no other. It's time to step back in time as we embark on a journey down the historic Nile River in Egypt. This iconic waterway is a living testament to Egypt's rich history, with ancient temples, majestic pyramids, and a fascinating culture waiting to be explored. Cruise along the Nile's tranquil waters, visit awe-inspiring archaeological sites, and immerse yourself in the mysteries of ancient Egypt. The Nile River is a captivating journey through time and civilization. Marrakesh, Morocco, is a sensory overload in the best way possible. Step into a world of vibrant colors, bustling markets, and stunning architecture that seems straight out of a fairy tale. Explore the labyrinthine Medina, visit historic palaces, and savor the tantalizing flavors of Moroccan cuisine. Marrakesh is where the old meets the new, and every corner holds a new adventure. Greece's best-kept secret, Milos, is a paradise for beach lovers. This Cycladic island is famous for its unique rock formations, crystal-clear waters, and charming fishing villages that seem frozen in time. Sail around the island's coastline, swim in hidden sea caves, and soak in the Mediterranean sun on pristine beaches. Milos is a tranquil haven where you can unwind and discover the untouched beauty of Greece. Brace yourselves for the jaw-dropping Iguazu River, shared by Argentina and Brazil. These colossal waterfalls, known as Iguazu Falls, are a true wonder of the natural world. Stand on viewing platforms to feel the mist on your face as you witness the sheer power and beauty of the falls. Iguazu Falls is an awe-inspiring spectacle that should be on every traveler's bucket list. Isla Barú, Colombia, is a tropical paradise that offers the perfect escape from the everyday hustle and bustle. Sink your toes into the powdery white sands, snorkel in crystal-clear waters, and unwind in a hammock with a fresh coconut in hand. Explore the mangrove forests, visit hidden beaches, and immerse yourself in the laid-back Caribbean vibe of Isla Barú. It's a slice of paradise that invites you to disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature. Surf's up in Biarritz, France. This chic coastal town on the Bay of Biscay combines elegance with adrenaline-pumping water sports. Catch the perfect wave, stroll along the stunning beaches, and savor fresh seafood at seaside cafes. Biarritz is where you can experience the thrill of the ocean while enjoying the sophistication of French culture. For the adventure seekers, Pokhara, Nepal, is your ultimate playground. Nestled in the shadow of the majestic Himalayas, this city offers a wide range of outdoor activities, from trekking and paragliding to boating on serene lakes. Trek through lush forests, gaze at the snow-capped peaks, and immerse yourself in the warm hospitality of the Nepalese people. Pokhara is where adventure and natural beauty combine for an unforgettable experience. Step into a fairy tale as we explore the charming streets of Tallinn, Estonia. This medieval city is a time capsule of history, with cobblestone roads, well-preserved architecture, and a rich cultural heritage. Wander through the Old Town, visit historic landmarks, and immerse yourself in the unique blend of Estonian and European influences. Tallinn is where the past comes to life, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. Norway's Bergen is a city surrounded by stunning fjords and picturesque landscapes. Discover its rich history, vibrant art scene, and the breathtaking beauty of the Norwegian wilderness. Explore the charming streets, visit art galleries, and embark on scenic hikes in the surrounding mountains. Bergen is where culture and nature intertwine, creating a destination that's both captivating and serene. Wine lovers, rejoice! Franschhoek, South Africa, is a wine lover's paradise nestled in the heart of the Cape Winelands. Sip on world-class wines amidst the picturesque vineyards, indulge in gourmet cuisine, and explore the charming village's art galleries and boutiques. Franschhoek is where wine, food, and culture come together to create a truly indulgent experience. Get ready to be transported to the remote paradise of Nuku Hiva, French Polynesia. Immerse yourself in the tranquil beauty of turquoise lagoons, lush jungles, and Polynesian culture. Explore hidden waterfalls, trek through tropical forests, and connect with the warm-hearted locals. Nuku Hiva is a slice of tropical heaven that invites you to unwind and reconnect with nature. Easter Island, Chile is shrouded in mystery and adventure. Discover the iconic Moai statues, explore volcanic landscapes, and uncover the secrets of this remote island. Stand in awe of the massive stone figures, visit ancient archaeological sites, and immerse yourself in the enigmatic allure of Easter Island. It's a destination that promises both intrigue and wonder. Embrace the Nordic charm of Finland's Lake Saimaa region. From ice saunas to mesmerizing northern lights, this destination offers a unique blend of relaxation and wonder. Relax in traditional saunas, go ice fishing on frozen lakes, and witness the magic of the aurora borealis. The Lake Sema region is where nature and culture combine to create a winter wonderland like no other. Our final destination is the awe-inspiring Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Sail through the emerald waters surrounded by limestone karsts, caves, and floating fishing villages. Explore ancient caves, kayak through hidden lagoons, and witness the breathtaking beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ha Long Bay is a natural wonder that will leave you in awe of the world's beauty. And there you have it, folks. 24 incredible destinations from every corner of the globe that deserve a spot on your travel wish list. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or culture, these places have it all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this journey, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We can't wait to continue exploring the world with you. Until next time, happy travels!